Now see our next topic, that is capillarity. A tube with fine and uniform bore throughout its length is called capillary tube. You might have seen the examples of you can say like a straw, like any this thin pipe which has got a hole in this, that is called capillary tube. Now see here, I have taken here like this beaker, in this water is placed here, and when this capillary tube or the thin tube is put into this liquid, liquid rises in the tube. But when you put the same tube in the mercury, then the level of the mercury falls down in the tube. So, when the capillary tube is put into the liquid, there is rise or fall of the liquid, and this phenomenon is known as capillarity. And the example of the capillary tube or the capillarity is here like oil rises in the long narrow spaces between the threads of the wick, and also towel soaks water. Towel, if you put some water on the towel, it soaks it because its threads act as a capillary tube, and through these tube the water rises, and by this way the towel soaks water.